Hello everyone and welcome back to another video with Coach Cass, and today I wanted to share with you guys the number one thing, in my opinion, that is a super simple thing that you can change in your business and your approach to your business that can also completely transform it and might be holding you back at the moment. That number one thing is confidence. This is something where if you are not confident in your own product or service, you're not going to convince someone to also invest and be confident in handing their money over to you to be confident in your product and service as well. If you don't have that confidence, neither will the customer. The very, very basic understanding of marketing, converting a consumer into your customer is first they need to know you. So maybe that's a Facebook ad or something like this so that they first initially find you. Then they need to like you. And then they need to trust you. And that jump from like to trust is the step where you really need to push your confidence. They're going to trust in you when you trust in yourself. This is something personally for myself that I think was the number one thing that has held me back with my own businesses. And as soon as I started putting my face forward and I started really putting that emphasis in, yes, this is not I'm going to try and do this, or maybe I'm going to do this, or I think it's a good thing. It's no, this is the best. I'm the expert in this. You're the expert in this. This is an amazing product, or whatever it is. You need to have that confidence to have that step forward. Okay? So many of us, when we think of marketing, we just think of that first step, which is the knowing. But there's a lot more that goes into someone actually becoming a paying customer. You have to be willing to provide free information, free things in order to convert people to trust you. You need to not be afraid to put your face forward. I think video is one of the most powerful tools in marketing because this is a way that you can connect on a different level than just writing. Writing is great. Maybe that's something you're very, very skilled in. Great, go for it. But when you can speak confidently about what you're doing and your product, and you put your face into it, and your passion and your excitement into it, you can feel it a lot more. And so can the consumers. So can the person who is watching this video telling you about how great it is. Why do you think infomercials exist? I'm not saying to be an infomercial and to make your brand your face, but through putting your face forward, you're really emphasizing your trust and confidence in the product and service. Okay, you get the gist. That's all I really wanted to say is don't be shy with your product and service. Tell the world and tell the world confidently, and then people will be more confident in choosing your product or service over somebody else's. All right, thank you very much. Have a beautiful day, and yes. Let me know any other tips if you've had any problems with confidence or putting yourself out there with your product or service. All right, bye.